In a dramatic and escalating crisis, Pakistan's Balochistan province has become the epicenter of a high-stakes hostage situation after militants from the Baloch Liberation Army hijacked the Zafar Express train on Tuesday. The train, travelling from Quetta to Peshawar, was ambushed in a tunnel between Gudalar and Pirukoneri, with gunmen operating fire and injuring several passengers. The Baloch Liberation Army, a militant separatist group, claimed responsibility, stating it was a targeted operation against Pakistani security forces. According to officials, 16 militants have been killed in ongoing operations and 104 hostages have been rescued. However, 214 passengers, including military personnel, remain in captivity. Disturbingly, reports indicate that some hostages have been taken into the mountains by the militants, complicating rescue efforts. The Baloch Liberation Army has issued a chilling warning, threatening to execute hostages if airstrikes in the region continue. The Pakistan security forces have launched a large-scale operation, but concerns are mounting over the potential for civilian casualties. Retired Indian Army officer Major General G.D. Bakshi criticized the Pakistan Army's approach, warning that their ham-handed tactics could result in significant civilian losses. Meanwhile, UN Secretary General has condemned the attack, urging the immediate release of all hostages. This crisis underscores the volatile security situation in Balochistan, where separatist groups like the Baloch Liberation Army continue to challenge Pakistan's authority. The international community is closely monitoring the situation, with fears of further violence and instability in the region. As the standoff continues, the fate of remaining hostages hangs in the balance, raising urgent questions about the effectiveness of Pakistan's counter-terrorism strategies. Key takeaways: 104 hostages rescued, 214 still held. 16 militants killed in security operations. Baloch Liberation Army threatens to execute hostages if airstrikes continue. UN condemns attack, calls for hostage release. Concerns over civilian casualties in rescue operations.